This is Inkatha Gaming. I'm Valkyriel, and today we got our hands on a Bloomburrow Prerelease kit. We're going to open this up, see what kind of value we get. Maybe not mispronounce things. Gawk at the cute little animals, right? So let's see what we got. Boop, boop. We've got our 6 play boosters, our extras. This. And our spin down dice counter, right? 6. Hey, not bad. All right, pack number 1. Let's see what great goodies we get. Cute fuzzy animals. Rabbit response. Man, I've chased wild bunnies before, and when they turn on you and start screaming, that's scary as hell. Head of the homestead. Bushy bodyguard. I mean, really, this whole set was designed for squirrel commander decks, right? Vine Reap Mentor. Hazard. Potent of Calamity. For each card type, you may exile a card. Put the rest in your graveyard. You may cast a spell without paying its mana cost. 4 or more cards this way. Ooh. And then you put them in your hand. Ooh, pretty swamp. Foil. Starscape Cleric token. That's interesting. Oops, rare for that. Potent of Calamity. Portent. Portent. See, we started off saying we're going to try not to mispronounce things. Whoop. Bellowing Crier. Thistledown Players. Raccoon Rallier. Sunshower Druid. More rats. That's what everyone needed. Clifftop Lookout. Parting Gust. Spellgear. Hazel's Nocturne. Emberheart Challenger. One of those fun little red cards, right? Haste 2/2 Prowess. Prowess. Plains. Our foil. Pleated Provisioner. Well, we're failing on mispronouncing, huh? Rust Shield Rampager. Mind Spiral. Waxwing Witness. Agate Assault. Psychic Whirl. Saber. Nailguard. Mouse. Bark Knuckle Boxers. So, yeah, I guess, mice and rats are different, but, why magic? Oh, I'm just kidding. Plume Creed Mentor. Ooh, Castrol, the Wind Crested. Whenever one or more birds you control deal combat damage to a player, choose one. You may put a bird creature card from your hand or graveyard on a. Ooh. Put a +1/+1 counter on each bird you control or draw a card. That's nice. Birds. Mind Whisker. Pack number 3, 4. Pack 4. See? We're out of touch. It's been a little while. Took a little break. Brave can do. Kindle Sport Duel. We got all the duels. See, that should be. Well, maybe not. Like a partner, right? Battle Bond. Let's go. Tangle Tumbler. Recast a non-creature Otter Spell. Or Otter Spell. You may exile the top card. Nice. Rabbit Soldier, Galewind Moose. Wow. Like, that's from, yeah, Flash, Vigilance, Reach, Trample. Moose is going to get you. That's Valley Rot Collar. Each opponent loses X number of squirrels, bats, lizards, and rats you control. I don't know what's going on with the focus. Scales of Shale. That's pretty nice. Water Spout Warning. The duo. Another duo. Okay, so each color gets a duo. The duo cycle. Uncharted Haven. Daring Wave Rider. Heirloom Epic. Shrike Force. Into the Floodmaw. Mockingbird. You may have a copy of any creature. Nice. Oh. Nice. Path me. Manifold now. So the land, right? Uncharted Haven. Would you put that in your commander deck? Like, is that even worth putting as one of your lands there? I know it enters in tapped, which is bad, but let me know. Let me know in the comments if you think that's a commander. Obviously, if you're doing like you know, discount commander or something like that, then it gets a little bit higher up on maybe doing some fixing, but come and get it. Junkblade Bruiser. Stargaze. Lilypad. Night Fisher. Paw Patch Recruit. Nice. Little Rabbit Warrior. Plane. Ooh, Stargaze Foil. Nice. And some food. Let's see what we got in our card. Season of Gathering. Sorcery. Choose up to 5 paws. +1/+1 counter on a creature you control against Vigilance Trample until end of turn. Choose artifact or enchantment. Destroy all. Woo! Draw cards equal to the greatest power amount. So you can just do a lot of fun stuff there. And our code, first come, first serve. Let me know if you get it. That'd be cool. One per account per set. So if you've already claimed one, you can't claim it on the same account. But, still good stuff. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. That really helps out the channel. Let us know what you'd like us to get our hands on next. We have a couple mystery booster boxes. I don't know if that's kind of the format to open it here or just save it for later. Hope you're finding value in everything you're opening up and doing. And be well.